Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about VLC Media Player Hack. And in today's video, I will show you how to record your Windows PC screen using your VLC Media Player without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is go ahead and click on your VLC Media Player and hit Enter key on your keyboard, and it's going to open up like so. Next thing you want to do is to go to Media right here. Then go ahead and make sure you look for Convert/Save. Click on that, and this is going to pump up right here. First thing first, make sure you navigate to capture device. Then under capture mode, go ahead and click on desktop right here. Having click on desktop, then go ahead and set your frame rate. So in this tutorial, I'm going to put it in 30 frame rates per second. And the next thing you want to do right here, then go ahead and come down below right here. After you set your frame rate, next thing you want to do is to come down below right here, click on Convert and Save, and this is going to take you right here. And the next thing you want to do is to choose profile file. So click on profile file here and make sure you choose video H.264 plus MP3 plus bracket MP4 close bracket. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on browse right here. Then you have to choose your file destination. So I'm going to save this in my desktop. So I'm going to call it screen record 1. Okay. I'll go ahead. You can see the container is MP4. I'll click on save right here. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and click on start. So once you click on start, then you can see at the countdown right here, it simply means that you started record your screen. So if I minimize this, and I go ahead, I open a folder, then I go ahead, I open another folder, then if I decide to work inside some of the folder right here, so everything I'm doing on the screen right here is being captured with VLC. Once you are done with everything you want to record, come back to your VLC Media Player right here, then I have about 33 seconds record. Go ahead and hit on stop right here. So once you hit on stop, then minimize, then you have your screen record right here. So go ahead and click on the screen record and play it. So just like what you see right here, you can see screen record 1. So you can see right here that the screen has been captured. You can see the output result right here. So this is when I open a folder, and then this is when I try to work inside some folders in my PC right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your VLC Media Player, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.